Welcome back, my future leaders. This is Hershey, your SST fellow. Today I am continuing with the chapter number 13, different kinds of occupation of your course book, Time Travelers Acknowledged series by Amit Publishing House. So again, get ready for the warm-up exercise. Identify the profession of each picture and color the correct box. Can you identify who is she? She is a nurse and he is a gardener and she is stitching the clothes, right? And she is a fabulous answer. She is a tailor. He is a firefighter or a painter. Very good answers. He is a firefighter. Can you see he is a farmer or a barber? Sounds quite similar. He is a barber. He is cutting the hair. He is a chef or a plumber. He is chef, right? So let's see what is there in this chapter. To fulfill our needs, we need money. We can buy the things only with the money. So to fulfill our needs, we need money. To earn money, people do different types of work. A type of work that people do to earn money and make a living is called an occupation. Occupation, job, profession means same, right? We earn money, we work and we earn money so that we can live our life happily, right? So let's say about the different types of occupations. Different people do different kind of work according to their ability and needs, according to their skills. Like some are perfect in gardening, so they can become a gardener. Some are perfect in farming. Some are good or skilled in making furniture. So they can opt the person can become a carpenter, right? So according to our ability or skills, we can opt the different occupation. Some people are skilled in farming, so they can take up farming as their profession, right? Some are good at woodwork, so they can choose carpentry as their profession, right? Carpentry, fishing, farming and mining are some common occupations in India. Wow fact. More than half the people in India are farmers. More than 50% of our total population, the people are farmer. They depend on farming for their living, right? They grow crops, they sell these crops into the market and they earn money. AI fact, AI having a significant impact on the job market. By 2025, near about 85 million jobs will be reduced. This is as per the World Economic Forum, the Future of Jobs report. This report says by 2025, near about 85 million jobs globally will be reduced. Now, fishing. Let's see the different occupation in detail. First, fishing. Fishing is the main occupation of the people who all are living in the coastal areas, means near the sea. Fish is the important source of food and oil. We get fish oil from the fish, right? Doctor also suggests to take fish oil. The vegetarian people who all are not eating fish, right? They can take the fish oil it keeps you away from the cardiac disorders. The cardiac means heart related issues. The fish are processed, packed and exported to the market. So fishing is the main occupation or profession of the people who all are living near the sea or the coastal plains. Now next is farming. As we have seen the wow fact that more than 50% of the population is farmers. In our country, a large number of people live in villages, right? So their main occupation is farming. Farmers work in the fields to grow different crops. They grow food grains, they grow sugarcane, fruits, vegetables, cereals, pulses, tea, coffee. So many things they are growing. We also get jute, cotton from the plants, spices also. So farmers are growing different types of crops that we have learned in the previous chapter. The different types of crops that are grown in the different parts of India. These crops are grown by the farmers only. So farmers sell these crops in the market and they earn money. So this is the main occupation of the people who are living in villages. Poultry farming and dairy farming. In this type of farming, people are not growing the plants. They are not growing the crops. Poultry farming and dairy farming means the people are the animals are tamed. People are taming the animals on their farms and they are getting milk and eggs. Like farming practice in which animals are kept on farm, we arrange food and shelter for them because they are the domestic animals and we get milk and milk products, and this is called dairy farming. Animals like cows, buffaloes and goats, they give us milk. Let's see what is the poultry farming. The farming practice in which birds are kept on the farm for eggs and meat. We get egg and meat from hens, ducks and turkeys. We get eggs and we also eat these animals, and this is called poultry farming. These are used as meat also. Goat and sheep not only gives us milk but also we get wool from them. Sheep also provide us wool. The farmers sell their product in the market to earn the money. Goat and sheep are also provide us meat. Yes, and they are used, non-vegetarian people are using goats and sheep for the meat, right? And we also get wool from the sheep. We get milk from them. So goat and sheep provide us meat. We also get wool from the sheep. So farmers sell these products into the market and they earn money. Mining. Mining is another profession of the people of India. Mining is an act of digging out important minerals from the ground. Some people live in the areas so that the soil is rich in minerals like iron, coal, mica and petroleum. Their main occupation is mining. Metals are made from the minerals. So people who all are living in the area and the soil is rich in minerals and metals. So the mining is the main profession of these people. People are digging the ground and taking out the metals and minerals from it. Brain shaker, we get mineral under the ground through the mining. What if they get finished there? So some minerals are very important us to live. If we'll not get these minerals, we would not able to survive, right? Next is forestry. A large part of our country is covered with the thick forest. So people who all are living in forest or near the forest, they are taking lot of things from the plants or from the trees, and they are selling in the market to earn the money. Let's see what all are these things. They collect wood, they get gum, we get gum from the trees, honey, rubber, and some kinds of herbs from the trees in forest. But remember, these are raw materials, and then these raw material will go to the factories and final product will come out or will reach to us. They sell these things for the money in the market. These things are turned into furniture. Furniture is made by wood. So they collect the wood from the forest and they sell into the market, and then this raw material will go to the factories and furniture will be made with the wood. We get paper from the trees. Matchsticks are again made with wood, and many more items. The job of cutting wood in the forest is called lumbering. Some other occupations. In towns and cities where there is no land for farming, what do we do? The people who all are staying in cities, they work in offices, shops, or in factories. Many people also work in banks, in schools, and in hospitals. Right? Painting, writing, singing, and tailoring are the example of some other occupation people are engaged in, because the land is not available in the cities for farming, right? We are not staying near the sea, so fishing is also not possible. We are not staying near the forest, so forestry is again not possible for the people who all are living in the cities. So what do they do? How they will earn the money? They work in the banks, schools, in hospitals. They work in different kinds of factories, offices to earn the money. Some people stitches the clothes like tailors, and painting, writing, singing are again examples of some different kinds of professions. Now it's time for revise what we have learned in this chapter. An occupation is a job that we do to earn money so that we can live happily. Fishing is the main livelihood in the coastal areas. Farming is the main occupation of people living in villages. Mining is the main practiced in areas that are rich in minerals. We dig and we take out the minerals and metals from the ground. Fishing, farming and mining are some common occupations in India. In towns and cities, people work in different offices, factories, industries, shop to earn the money or for their livelihood. Now, evaluation corner. The main occupation in our country is, excellent answers by you all, it is farming. So, let's fill the circle B. Rest. You all fill as per the answers. Which of these is an animal product? Gum, paper, rubber or wool? Wool is the animal product. Rest, gum, paper and rubber we get from plants. The third part of this question is, what do we get from fish? We get fish oil from the fish. This is the process of digging out minerals from the earth. It is mining. Fifth is, metals are needed to make cheese, paper, shoes or coins? So the correct answer is coins. Let's move on. Just fill up the appropriate word in the blanks. First is we need to dash. We need dash to fulfill our needs. What we need? Excellent answers, kids. We need money to fulfill our needs. Next is dash is the main occupation of people who live in the coastal areas. So it is fishing. Fishing is the main occupation of the people who are living in the coastal areas. Now cow gives us dash. Cow gives us milk and hen provides us eggs. Coins are made of metals. And the next is in dash, many people work in offices. So people of city, the people who all are living in the city or the urban areas, they work in the offices. So in cities, many people work in offices. So let's move on. Answer the following question. What is the main occupation of the people living in coastal areas? Explain pottery farming and dairy farming. What is mining? Name few minerals that are mined. How are metals useful for us? And the last is, how do people working in forests? So we have already discussed in detail. So I appreciate you write down the answers on your own. Alright. So we have learned so many occupations, professions or jobs of the different people are performing to live their livelihood. So stay excited for the clamp of another videos. Catch you in the next class of SST. Till then, bye.